When little ones play, parents step back and witness the precious moments. Small hands building worlds, curious minds asking questions, and smiles growing wider. To them, it's play. To us, it's growth, patience, confidence, skills, and imagination taking shape. At Truzo, we create toys that bring joy and become lessons without feeling like one. Toys that help them learn and grow naturally. Truzo Toys, where play feels like happiness and learning feels like love. In 2022, Truzo Toys set out to reimagine the way children play and learn. From our 65,000 square feet facility in Rajkot, Gujarat, we craft top-notch quality toys that are safe, inspiring, and thoughtfully designed. We are a part of the prestigious Z Group of companies. Within this ecosystem operates Zega Gifts Private Limited, based in Rajkot, specializing in the manufacturing of superior quality gifting items, including tabletop articles, trophies, keychains, photo frames, and more. Both companies are driven by a shared ethos of integrity, innovation, teamwork, and customer focus. At Truzo Toys, we believe that every toy is an invitation to play, learn, and explore. From zooming ride-ons, kick scooters, and tricycles that build little muscles and motor skills, to brain-boosting puzzles, building blocks, and educational games that challenge curious minds, there's something for every child. And for the little creators, modeling dough, craft kits, sensory teethers, and playful rattles turn every moment into a world of discovery. Made from premium quality materials, our toys are durable, delightful, and made for endless play. At Truzo Toys, every toy begins as a spark of imagination and is transformed into reality through precision engineering and world-class manufacturing. It all starts in our R&D department, where innovative concepts are tested, prototyped, and refined for ergonomics, safety, and playability. From design, the process moves into raw material sourcing, processing, and fabrication. Injection molding produces intricate components with exact tolerances, while pad printing and laser cutting add fine details and vibrant finishes. Ultrasonic welding and power press assembly. Automatic robotic power press create flawless joints. Skilled assembly teams then integrate components, mechanical parts, and sensory elements with meticulous attention. And auto-feed strapping prepares each product for safe packaging. Every toy undergoes rigorous quality control at our state-of-the-art BIS-certified testing lab, where durability, mechanical integrity, and safety compliance are thoroughly verified. At Truzo, our creativity extends beyond toys. In our dedicated photo frames division, we craft modern, elegant frames marketed under the brand Zega. The journey begins on a profile extrusion line, shaping durable frames, followed by precise cutting and pinning to ensure flawless structure and perfect alignment. Precision, accuracy and craftsmanship define every step of our photo frame production. Finally, each product is meticulously packaged and prepared for dispatch, with every detail checked to guarantee quality, value for money and on-time delivery. Guided by long-term vision and future aspirations, we have already acquired an expansive 104,000 square feet land area. This landmark investment lays a strong foundation for the next chapter of growth, enabling expanded manufacturing, advanced infrastructure, and new possibilities that will shape the journey ahead. Our clients are more than partners, they are fellow believers in the power of play. As a trusted OEM supplier, we help bring their brands to the forefront. Through our white labeling program, they can customize toys with their logo, colors and packaging, ensuring every product reflects their unique identity. Nothing makes us prouder than seeing our toys bringing joy to homes, classrooms and playgrounds. Let's come together to create a world where every moment of play is meaningful, every lesson is joyful, and every child has the freedom to imagine, explore and grow. We are Truzo Toys, where fun meets learning.